Welcome guys, so today I'm with Samsung Galaxy M13 and I want to show you 5 camera tips for this smartphone. So the first one and probably the most useful will be this 50 megapixel mode. To enable this option you have to tap in this place, select 4x3 but with the 50 megapixel mode, and let's make a small comparison. Let's take a photo like that with this mode. And right now let's do the same but with the normal mode. Right now let me just enable the camera preview, and that's photo taken with the normal mode that looks like that. And this one was taken with the 50 megapixel mode. Oh, actually it looks terrible. Let me just take it one more time because I just probably moved the phone while taking this photo. Okay, let's try it right now. Yeah, as you can see right now it looks definitely better, and we can spot here definitely more details than when we compare for this one, for example. Take a look right here and on this 50 megapixel mode. So if you want to take crop of your photos, use this 50 megapixel mode. Another tip will be about the brightness adjustment, so we can just tap on the screen to increase or decrease brightness level by moving the sun icon on the right or the left. As you can see, it works really good. So you don't have to go for the Pro mode to make a change. Another tip will be about the volume buttons. They are right here. We can take photos while using these buttons. Okay, there was some kind of the crazy bug, I don't know, but let's take it one more time. As you can see right now it works. So with the volume buttons we can take photos. You can also take series of the photos by dragging your shutter like that. Okay, we are unable, we have to switch for the 4x3. Take a look right now. We can take 30 photos. And the last tip will be about the zoom feature. As you can see right here we got 1 or 2x or the ultra wide lens, but when we select like that we will get additional 4x, 10x, and that's how you can zoom in and zoom out with this slider and enable these additional modes. And the zoom quality is really not bad actually. Okay, so I think that's all for this Samsung Galaxy M13. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.